Hey guys, GoldStreams here again. So a trade I took on the Asian session. So this was Wednesday morning for me, basically the 12th of March. Now this particular trade, as you can see, this was the 15-minute time frame. We had a bit of choppy range. I didn't take the sells. I didn't take anything to the downside. There was just no clear sort of confirmation for me to take anything to the downside. We had a very sturdy support on the 30-minute time frame at around 29.14, right? And then we had another support at 29.11, right? So the first support 29.14 is the gray bar that you can see across the screen there. And as you can see where the price is currently, it sort of consolidated around that area and then started to move down. If you look at the 30-minute time frame, we had a very, very weak bullish close with a massive rejection wick to the downside. What I'm expecting here is I was expecting this next candle to not break the low. I didn't expect this candle to break the low. I expected this candle to flip bullish and break the previous high. And because that was the idea when I first saw the candle close, that was the idea that I waited for. That was what made sense to me. Again, guys, trading is about seeing patterns that you understand. So seeing things you're comfortable with. So as this candle was flipping bullish, and you can imagine, so this candle is a volatile candle, right? Has a lot of volume into it. It's come down, it's broken the low without making a top wick at all. It's coming back up now and it's breaking the previous candle high, its own high. Which is absolutely fantastic, which shows there's going to be a lot of volume in it. That's why I didn't wait for this candle to close. It was only about 4 or 5 minutes for this candle to close. Stop losses were back underneath that zone. So the stop losses were back underneath around 29.12, 29.13 is where I was aiming. Sort of stop the trade out if it did move back in the direction. Obviously, because now it's come all the way up and it's broken the previous high. It's got no business coming down and breaking that previous support. And this is just about now holding the trade. I know some of you have mentioned to me about holding trades into full take profit. And again, the guys, that's preference, right? You don't always have to hold a trade until full TP gets hit. Sometimes your full take profit will get hit. Sometimes the candle will come in maybe 3, 4, 5 pips close to your TP or to your marked zone where you think price is going to go, and then completely reverse. So again, it's what you're comfortable with. For me, I've been doing this for quite a bit of time now. I understand that obviously pricing zones are not always going to get filled to exactly where we imagine they're going to get filled to, or to the end of the zone or the edge of the zone, right? Because different time frames will sometimes have different zones in play. So I secure whenever I'm comfortable. And that's sort of what you need to stick to as well. When you're comfortable and you have a certain amount of pips that you know, or a certain amount of percentage that you want to see your account grow by, then that's where you secure. That's where you take your profits off the charts. And if you want to leave a runner and have something just running with your stop losses at break even, then by all means do that. But as you can see, this is coming up to around 30 pips, 40 pips, 30, 32 pips, sorry, there. And it's a fantastic trade. So we've got 2 positions running, not too much risk in the game here. We know where stop loss is going to be. If this candle was to turn around and flip bearish, we're closing full positions. That's fine. And we're just waiting for this range to get filled, or we're waiting for us to sort of get enough from this trade to be content with it. Right? That's where you need to analyze. If this position, by the way, came down and hit break even, I would have closed one position and let the other one run. If it started breaking its own low, then I'm closing both positions, because at this point it's got no business in breaking its own low. But yeah, that's pretty much it. As you can see there, stops in BE now, and we're letting this run. It's coming up. You need to hit take profit, close one position. I left the other position open, expecting price to sort of maybe it will come up and fill that wick with enough volume. But as I saw that wasn't going to happen, then we closed the second position as well. Called it a day. thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate everyone subscribing and everyone liking the videos and stuff. And yeah, keep it coming.